Diba? But being sad, being hurt is a process of growing up. Alright? Now, I want you to ask this question sa sarili mo. Ano kaya ang meron kay Jeka, bakit iniwan siya? Hindi lang kasalanan ni Archie to. There's something wrong about you, ba't kanya iniwan? There's something
may mali sa akin.
Yeah, I know. Di ba laging ganun yan? Now, kung wala naman talagang makitang mali sa'yo, wala kang makita, you cannot admit na may mali sa'yo, maybe you're not meant to be with each other.
Tama.
Alright?
Tama.
At least, meron kang isang buwan to remember. Diba, time you spent with Archie kaysa naman na not all. Alright?
Alright.
Thank you very much for calling.
Thank you.
At good luck sa pag-aaral.
Thank you.
Alright, tama na muna ang boyfriend.
Yes.
Sabi ni Mama Aling. Ako, sige, okay lang yun.
Oh, okay lang. Move on na lang ako siguro.
Salamat sa pagtawag,
Thank you
Jeka.
rin.
Alright? Don't forget your milk.
Ha?
Don't forget your milk. Tulog na.
Bata.
Salamat.
Bye-bye.
Alright, mga kaibigan, si Jeka po yan ng Antipolo.